this is Daniela from Sewing for a Living, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix torn jeans with patches.
I consider this to be the classical approach toward patching jeans, and I mean by darning around the torn area. If you are interested in other options to fix torn jeans, please watch my related videos, which I will link to in the description. I'm going to be working on a pair that originally had those patches, which I find to be an uncommon choice. The fabric is really stretchy, which I don't recommend for patches, and especially for patches on the knees, as there is some intensive stretching at that area. I'm going to replace the patches with denim fabric ones. In order to be able to sew, I need to break the side seam of the leg so that I can fit the leg into the machine. I want to unpick the side without the top stitching, which is usually at the outer leg. I have prepared those patches from some denim scraps. I'm going to pin them to see how they look on the jeans and sew them on the wrong side of the legs with the face of the patches down. First, I go around the patches to ensure that they are properly attached to the jeans. Then I turn the jeans around so that I sew on the face side. I'm going to make some forward and backward stitches at the edge all around the rib. This is not only going to fasten the patch, but also compensate for the worn off fabric around the rib. I thought I would show this fix with the regular foot. If you happen to have a darning foot, you might prefer to use that one as it ensures the free motion over the loose threads around the rib. This way you can skip adjusting the foot over the threads and make it a bit easier on yourself. But the regular foot will do the job as well. I'm going to restore the side seams that I had to break in order to be able to insert the jeans into the machine. And I'm done with this project. Another thing I wanted to show is that you can cover up the tear with an applique. You can use one you've made yourself or buy it in a sewing shop. Here I have this tear on a really nasty place to cover. I'm going to break the side seam and sew the applique over the ripped area. Often I would darn the torn place under and then apply the applique. In this case, the tear is at a place that is not being intensively stretched, so I'm choosing to sew the applique over at the corners without darning the torn fabric underneath. The way you apply it is by sewing all around the edges of the applique. There are also some fusible appliques on the market which you can put on by heating with an iron and skip sewing. These are the pairs I've patched here, and that pretty much sums up the most common ways I fix ripped jeans. Although it is a creative task and almost any pair requires for a specific approach. I've also been using lace, printed cotton, ribbons, whatever would look nice on that particular pair of jeans and the place where the tear is. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.